Few boxes arrived. Only 2. This is plastic model kits. I'm not quite sure what is inside. I just know that it's a lot of Pokepla. Yeah, I actually needed this one. It's a pin. I got these. Now this is kind of funny that the distributor actually got these, because these are Gundam base kits actually, or event kits, something like limited. But sometimes they can get awesome stuff. Then we have some Pokepla. Let's take a look what's in this box. Might be a bit shaky since I'm holding it with my one hand. Should have like 10 of these. Look here. You never get enough Heinus, that's for sure. More Pokepla. Move those down here as well. Maybe this is mostly Heinus. No, this is actually all kinds of wing stuff. When I say wing, I mean wings. Wing Zero Verka. One of my favorite designs. I have not built it yet myself, but I will eventually. And this is one of my favorites as well, Freedom 2.0. Good mixed box down here. Zulu. Do believe, was this a new one in the store? Can't remember. Definitely amphibious mobile suit. Yeah, I'm gonna try and open the other one because this was mainly the same. Rest of it. Let's try and open here. Pokepla. Get rid of all this stuff here. We sold a lot of these Pokepla when we were on the J-PopCon fair, actually. So we definitely need more of those if we go back. So I just try to buy some extra stuff. Not that we're going in the next year or so, but people keep buying them. Now let's see. As far as I recall, there's not much new here except for this one. Since the bands were broken, let's take a look inside these clear kits. Oh yes, these always have a special design, special look. Once they're assembled, because you can see through them, of course, since they're clear, and you can see the inner parts as well. This is so annoying with one hand. So the new kits, not so much. This is great. This is restocking the Rose and Zulu in the awesome colors. We got some real great unicorns. More of This, I think, is only a single one, actually. Some rest pieces from the distributor. Oh, here they are. 2 missing parts that I never got in a shipment. Sometimes it's not only me that can make errors. They make errors as well. These are back in stock. So this is a fun kit. Old school with the 3 awesome mobile suits. Gundam Operation 5. Or V, whatever you prefer. I think that's about it. Now we got the Phoenix. I think we got both. What's this? Unicorn. A single unicorn. They're hard to come by sometimes. Yeah, we got both the unicorn version and the destroy mode version. Gold coated, so they look really bling bling once they're assembled. Yeah, that's it. 2 boxes. Not much. Just some refill of stuff. So they will go online today. I have just posted a huge bunch in the Facebook group and on Discord regarding what we will get home over the next couple of weeks. And it should actually be here within a week or so, because I paid yesterday, so they should be able to ship it shortly. But I know some of it will be on pallets, so it would probably take more than a week. It's not too fast when it's on pallets. Yeah, so a lot of incoming stuff. There will also be a lot of merchandise. Great stuff. Still working on a special distributor. I have not heard anything yet regarding the showroom and the opening down here. I have to finish it before I start open for people to visit, because I don't want to have a partial finished showroom. I think that would just be too bad. So right now it's filled up with perfect grades and my own Masters of the Universe collection, which is everywhere, up there as well. But that's because I'm trying to build another wall of Masters of the Universe with these frames, and I'm missing one. That will be here hopefully shortly. So as you know, this would be the entrance. This is the Gunpla showroom, and there should be some other stuff over here. But yeah, things takes time, as I keep saying. We don't have that time right now. We don't have the finances as well, because we're buying home for stock. So it all depends on when to invest in what. So right now I have to figure out what's going on with that distributor. And once I got that clear, that means we can open a new market. And until then, I have to save some finances, because investing in new markets is not cheap. But keep up the support, guys. I keep making these YouTube videos, and it seems like they're getting a bit of traction around Europe. So that's great. And I will return as soon as I get more news or more stuff. I mean, unboxing like this is not optimal in my world, where I stand here with the phone in one hand and trying to unbox with another hand. But if you guys like it, then we can easily do it like that. No problem. Just give me some feedback if there's something you want different, and I'll see if I can fulfill those wishes. Until then, guys, see you next time.